Look, as we conclude our 6-part series, Beyond Dentistry, the importance of the mouth-body connection, Doctors Lulu Tang and Dr. Bianca Velayo are back with us. Thank you so much for being here. And we're talking today about hormone health as it relates to women. Yeah. Welcome back.
Thank you for having us back.
For sure, absolutely. Look, tell me a little bit of that. Women have really unique oral health concerns, but can you go a little bit deeper? What happens when it comes to hormonal levels?
Yes. Many of us back home watching, we don't realize that our hormonal changes during our menstrual cycle, pregnancy, or even menopause is causing this increased risk for problems in the mouth, teeth, and gums. And in addition, when we're taking hormonal birth control, like the pill, the shot, vaginal ring, or hormonal intrauterine device, IUD, that is increasing our body's hormones, progesterone and estrogen. And these increased levels can cause our gums to become red, sensitive, or swollen. So it's really important that we are making sure that everyone does regular dental care visits, especially pregnant women or any women at all stages of life, so that we can manage their oral health and in turn manage their overall health.
Dr. Velayo, can you take us a little bit deeper? Let's talk a little bit more. Let's really dig into this mouth-body connection.
Yes, absolutely. Lots of research have found that oral health problems are associated with other medical conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's disease. For pregnant women, infections in the mouth can even affect their unborn baby.
That's crazy.
I know, causing low birth weight, preterm births, preeclampsia, even miscarriage.
Really?
Yeah, and so that's why it's so important. We encourage all women to come to the dentist because how does gum disease start? It starts with plaque, and plaque is a thin film of bacteria that builds up on your teeth, and if left untreated, can spread and lead to bleeding gums, bone loss, even loose teeth. But it doesn't stop there. The bacteria can actually spread to different parts of your body and just make you overall sick.
Smile Generation offers something that's called salivary screenings. Talk a little bit about that. What is that? Why is that so important?
So at Smile Generation, we go beyond traditional dentistry because we're prioritizing the mouth-body connection. So all of our providers, we understand and advocate for oral health and overall health. And we are connecting patients to a network of vetted Smile Generation trusted offices with high quality, patient-centric care. So all of our offices have innovative technology to increase your level of care, a major part being this salivary screening. And this allows us to have early detection of potential health issues. And then we're now able to do not only preventive care, but proactive care. And all of this is to empower the patients through the journey.
And you're such a powerful force for good in the community also, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you can always count on Smile Generation Trusted Dentists to do a thorough medical review. Our goal is to make sure that everyone's empowered to take care of their oral health and their overall health. I mean, in my practice, for example, any patient that shares with me that they're trying to conceive, going through IVF, or even have had histories of miscarriage, I always empower them, like, let's do the saliva testing. We need to know what's happening. We print out the results, I review it with their OBGYN, and oftentimes that oral health link is one of the missing pieces of the puzzle that's affecting their overall health. And I'm so proud to say that I've been able to be part of many people's pregnancy journeys, positive pregnancy stories. And you know, it just goes to show that's the overall mission of Smile Generation. We're just helping empower our communities, be at force for good, like you said, both locally, globally. We're here for education and, you know, just telling people how we can be healthier.
Yeah, and a couple components to that. I mean, the biggest component is improving access to high quality oral health care. And like Dr. Velayo said, increasing this oral health education, such as helping people understand what is this mouth-body connection.
Sure. Final thoughts.
Definitely make an appointment with a Smile Generation Trusted Dentist. We're here to take care of your overall health. Get your saliva testing done. Knowledge is power, and you don't know what you're up against until you get that data. And we're here to help you figure out all those best choices to help you be healthier and happier.
Thank you both for being here. And look, if you want more information, you can always go to smilegeneration.com, or you can go to our website, thebalancingact.com. Thank you.